Hey guys, what's up? It's Matt. If this is your first time here, thanks for finding the channel. Thanks for watching. If this is your one of many times back, thanks for coming back. Really appreciate it. The drive section, don't get too hung up on all the different tones and colors. I have different colors of gain, and then I have a boost pedal which also changes the colors as I see fit. So just think of dynamics, think of how the song goes up and down and lifting in the sections of the song, and I think you'll do just fine. I think you'll do a lot better than me. Also too, I tried to listen real carefully. I think there's about 3 maybe guitars, and I think they're doing a lot of open chords and chord inversions within the song and in different little snippets of it. It just changes the tonality, overall just sections of each part of the song. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope this helps.
Refrain 2, 3, 4. Repeat refrain. Verse 2, 3, 4. Chorus 2, 3, 4. Bridge 2, 3, 4. Repeat bridge.